Conditional visibility allows you to dynamically show or hide form elements based on specific criteria defined within an arcade expression. For example, if you want tree diameter to show up in the form only when a tree type is of a certain type, then you can create an expression that defines that. We're going to go ahead and do that now. Right now, you can look down here in the lower right-hand corner to see that visible is checked. And because we don't have any expressions associated with that visibility parameter, means that right now tree diameter will always be shown. But let's say that we do not want tree diameter to be shown when our end user has selected a wildfire or seed tree, because tree diameter doesn't matter in this situation, let's say. We can come down here to visible, click on the gear, and then add a new expression. That's going to bring us to an expression builder. Now, if you had something more complex and you wanted to launch the arcade editor to do some advanced scripting, then you could do that. But typically, this condition builder is good enough for the situations that most people are going to find themselves in. I'm going to go ahead and come down here to tree type, and I'm going to say this visibility condition is based on when tree type is not wildfire or seed tree. You can see that the arcade expression syntax is appearing over on the right as I'm using the builder on the left. I'm going to go ahead and click on done. And now you can see that the visibility is based on this expression. I'm going to go ahead and save this form. And while that's saving, I am going to come over and open up my PRA property management map so we can see what this looks like for our end users as they are working within those edit forms. I'm just going to check real quick. This has saved over in my field maps designer. Now I'm going to come over and open up this map in my map viewer. Once map viewer opens, I'm going to make sure that I have my PRA fire mitigation layer selected. And then I'm going to come down here to edit. And when I click on edit, I'm going to go ahead and add a new feature type. I am going to first add this thinning green trees. I'm going to add it here. And then when our smart form appears, you can see that the tree diameter in inches does appear. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to discard those edits. And then I'm going to choose that wildfire or seed tree. And when I add that, we're going to see that that tree diameter isn't there. It's not there because we created that conditional visibility expression. If I change this tree type now to standing dead, that tree diameter in inches appears. But if I change it back to that wildfire or seed tree, dynamically that field disappears. So this is a great way for you to streamline field data collection with using very highly organized, cascading smart forms.